Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your Gmail password on Android. So what you're going to do first is you have to locate your Gmail. And then here, what you're going to do next is you have to log into your Gmail account. Make sure this is the correct account that you want to change your password. So tap on Gmail, tap your profile at the top right corner, click this one. And then here, what you're going to do next is you have to tap on manage a Google account. So here you will see all your Google accounts. Just tap on manage your Google account. And then here on the manage Google account, what you're going to do next is you have to look for the security option. So tap on security here. You can scroll down. So you can see the security and sign in. You have to click this one. And on the security and sign in, you will see here the option password. So you have to scroll down again and tap on password. So most of the cases, Gmail will ask you for your old password and then add your new password. But this time, Gmail just asked me about my new password. So just make sure that the new password is strong. And in order for you to not forget that, you just have to save it somewhere, like in your notepad. So once you have access to your Gmail, you can now add your new password right here. To avoid mistakes, you can unhide or see the password by tapping on this eye icon right here. So make sure that the password matches. And then once done, then you can now tap on change password. So make sure that you have saved this somewhere and make sure that it's a strong password. So basically, that's how easy it is to change your Gmail password on Android. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.